in good spirits today, and I hope you are too. So today I have a special treat for y'all. We're doing a flawless install, and I'm going to be sharing my YouTube secrets, how I started my channel and maintain it. So stick around for these gems. So before we get into the install, I'm going to let you guys know I'm doing a $100 giveaway every single month. All you have to do is like the video, comment, and leave your Cash App below. What is going on, guys? It's your girl Easy Breezy, and I'm back with another hair sponsor. And this hair sponsor is not new to my channel at all. Matter of fact, y'all might even recognize the name. So thank you so much, Nadula, for sponsoring this video with this straight lace front unit. Now, my model is new to my channel, but not new to my chair, because I've done her hair years ago when I was doing hair at my shop. So not too long ago, I sent out like this mass text message to all my old clients, inviting them to my channel and like giving them the opportunity to get their hair done and really pay like a dirt cheap price. So I'm really happy. They're happy. It's like a win-win situation. All right, so right now I'm getting ready to put the stocking cap on. So I have my thin line of glue in front of the hairline, and I'm going to spread it out, wait till it turns clear, and then apply the stocking cap. But her hairline is not super low, but it's kind of low. So I'm being cautious where I'm putting this glue at, because I don't want to cover her entire forehead with the wig. And the stocking cap that I'm using right now is the dark brown from galaxygirlhair.com. So I know I see a lot of girls in my comments that are doing their YouTube channel and, you know, pursuing their creative careers. And number one, I would like to tell you guys that I'm so proud of all YouTubers, because one thing I know, it is not easy. It's definitely a hustle. It's something that you have to be passionate about. And, you know, it's something that like we need help with. Like we need support. We need to talk to people. We need to learn. So I'm gonna give you guys some tips on how I started my channel and maintained it. But before we get into that, for all my new subscribers, how you doing? So what I'm using right now is my liquid lace glue. This is the only glue that I use on my channel, okay? Period, point blank, ask around. So if you want your own bottle of liquid lace glue, head to galaxygirlhair.com right now. All right, so first thing I will say is I started my channel back in, I believe, 2014. I think it was 2014. So at first I started with basic tutorials, like everything that I can just do like with my eyes closed, like how to bleach knots on a closure, how to do a versatile install, you know, how I pluck my eyebrows. And I was just doing like little stuff like that, how to curl my hair. And it was easy, like the flow was easy, you know. So basically, to start, I will say, don't think too hard on, oh, what should my content be? Who should I be? Or how should I portray myself? It's more like, what can I do easily? What can I teach easily, you know? Because if it flows with your lifestyle, then you can create more content easier and at a faster rate. So if you're the type of person that, like, you're a talker, you can tell stories, you can teach, like you're good with your words, but you don't really like editing, you're not good at it, and editing is the reason why you don't want to start a YouTube channel, right? Practice doing one takes, where you only have to maybe cut like big mistakes out the video, but don't go into it thinking that you have to have all these animations and these words and transitions and all this stuff. Like, you don't have to be like every other YouTuber. Sometimes when you're just giving value and when you're influencing people or making people laugh with your words, that's enough. All right, pause. So let's take a look at this lace, okay? This lace looks great. Like, to the point where baby hairs is definitely an option, okay? We don't need it, but y'all know I be wanting it. So right now I have my my tropical root setting foam. I put it all over the top. I'm combing it through, and I use this to mold the hair. So today we're doing a middle part, and like if you just started tuning in, right? I do all my styles wet. Like, I just love doing wet styles. I feel like it lasts longer, it makes the top flatter, and I can do it with like spritz and a hot comb alone, but I don't know. I don't feel like it hits the same, you know? So first I do a wet mold, and then after they dry fully, then I go behind it and still hit it with the hot comb. And I can see like the line of the lace, but everyone that does YouTube, you already know, like this ring light shows more than enough. Like it will show your imperfections in your makeup. It will show the imperfections in the lace and make the lace look lighter. So I would say to get the true, you know, appearance of the lace, look at it in the sun. You know, because the sun's going to tell you the truth. The ring light sometimes is going to exaggerate the lace and make it look lighter than it actually is in person. All right, cool. So back to this YouTube advice. So one thing I will say is for the first couple years of me doing YouTube, and I've gained a lot of subscribers, a big following, and started getting sponsored before I even started using an HD camera. Okay, now my first couple YouTube videos, like my first 7, I used the camera, but like 200 videos after that, I was using my phone. So at first I was using my iPhone 7, and then I switched to a 10, and I've had like a 10 for like 3 years. So that just goes to show you don't really need expensive equipment to start or to make good content or to get paid or to make a whole living. All right, so I recorded with my phone. I have my ring light, and I edit still to this day on iMovie on my phone. I don't use any other equipment. Now I have a laptop, but yo, I barely use it. So yes, it's simple. I mean, it may give you anxiety to think about it and think about the end result, but just think about taking baby steps, you know, starting with your first video, starting with something that you're just good at, showing people how you make whatever you make, or showing people how you do whatever service you provide. Just set up your camera and just record your process, record who you are. All right, snap back. Hold on. Let's get into these baby hairs. Okay, I had to pull out the baby hair cam so we can see exactly how I'm doing this. So I love using Got2b glue. Okay, I've been telling y'all I go back and forth between the gel and the tropical root setting foam. But so my client the other day, right? She told me that she used to go to this stylist that used to like do her hair really good, but you know, I mean, it's 2 different styles. Some stylists make the baby hairs really wispy and like give it like a soft look. Some baby hairs, like mine, they're soft looking, but they're like stuck on there. Like you can't comb them. So the girl was telling me that every time she gets her hair done, her hair looks good for the first like maybe 2-3 days, and then it just starts to look crazy. So I was thinking about it, and I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna continue to use this Got2b gel because people like it when their hair lasts like a week or 2 weeks. You know, I've had people keep their same baby hairs for over a week, and I understand the puffy look, not the puffy look, but the soft look. You know, it's a vibe. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it's a vibe. I've done it many times. But for people that actually don't want to do their hair, can't do their hair, or just want a hairstyle that lasts a long time, especially, you know, baby hair, then I would use the Got2b gel. All right, now sometimes the paper be getting stuck to the gel, you know what I'm saying? Because the gel is really strong, but you know, that's not a huge problem. I just pick them out, or I put a little water on my finger and wet the black wrap that got stuck on the baby hair and just pull it out. All right, I don't know if y'all caught that, so I'm gonna do a quick little rerun. So even though I already tinted the lace with a little bit of makeup before I started, I had to go back and add some more makeup just to like really get rid of that line, you know what I'm saying? Because it was looking like too liney. So I had to get rid of it. You know, what's actually funny, like the first couple years I was doing frontals, I did not even think about or agree with putting makeup on lace because I don't know, like I just thought that using a lace tint was the best and only way to go, you know? And I thought that using makeup was lazy until I realized that Tay was using makeup on Jada's lace, like back then. And I remember doing her hair, like I did some braids in her hair at my shop one time, and I got like to have a close look at her lace, and I'm like, oh, that's makeup. Oh, Che, I see what's going on here. Now, don't get me wrong, that could have been makeup that accidentally got on the lace, like by her makeup artist or by herself or whatever. But no, I don't think so. I think he actually like intentionally put makeup on the lace. Like it was something light. It was like powder. So ever since then, I was like, okay, maybe I'm just being closed-minded. Maybe I'm being a little stingy, you know? So I'm gonna start trying it. And I did. And as y'all can see, I'm addicted. Now, I know I'm mesmerizing y'all with this hot comb because watching people hot comb hair is just so satisfying. I don't know why. So if you guys want your Galaxy Girl pink hot comb, head to the website right now and they are 40% off. Listen, at this point, Nadula got the wigs, Galaxy Girl got all the products to apply your wigs. Okay, that's called teamwork right there. all right, so one more YouTube tip for y'all, okay? So along with you just going with the natural flow of your lifestyle, along with you just using your talents and not going so far away from yourself, okay? Using your phone, using simple editing systems like iMovie to edit and upload, like it's super simple. The last thing is, if you are a person with a job, career, you do services or whatever, take your ring light, okay, and your phone to your job or your suite or your shop or whatever every single day and ask your clients if you can record them. Simple. That is exactly how I built up so much content in 1 year. All I did was ask my clients, can I record you? And I didn't make them do anything special, say anything. All I did was just record the process of me doing their hair. And y'all, I was pushing like 3 or 4 videos out a week. And to be honest, I really could have pushed out more, but I didn't like every single hairstyle that people asked for. So some I didn't put on my channel. But yeah, like all you have to do is record whatever you do every single day, because that's the easiest way. You're just gonna collect content like in the most natural, free-flowing way. If you take pride in how you do your makeup, record yourself doing your makeup every day. If you take pride in how you do your hair, record your hair process every day. If you take pride in your fashion, record yourself getting dressed every single day. Tell people where you got your clothes, how they can find clothes that fit their body. Like, I mean, y'all, it's endless. If you do services, you know, record all of your clients. I don't care if you're doing the same thing, like record everything. That's my biggest word of advice. All right, so this hairstyle though, okay, the hairline is looking fleeky. The baby hairs are looking amazing. The part, I mean, it's flat, it's shiny, and I love it. Good job, me, Nadula, y'all, for y'all energy. Yeah, it looks great. So you already know this is the end of the video and this is the final look. So once again, thank you so much, Nadula, for sponsoring this video. If you guys want this exact unit, I'm going to put all the information in the description below. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you go ahead and do that and turn on your notifications. See y'all later.